What's up?
What's up, Greens and Cornbread family? We back with another video. Today we went to Henderson's Chicken. If y'all don't know that is a chicken place here in Texas, and it's the bomb.
Maybe. We don't know yet.
I think it's gonna be the bomb. So this is what it looks like. It has French fries all over the chicken, and we got 5-piece wings, and we got a 5-piece dark, and we got some okra. And today's beverages will be Arizona and crushed strawberry. And we also got some pickles and not onions, Lord no. Some pickles and some peppers to go along with our chicken. It's underneath your pickles.
Oh, I got peppers over the pickles?
Sir?
I got peppers on the pickles?
Alright, y'all, so let's get into it. I'm trying to remove some of these fries off the chicken so y'all can see the actual chicken. But we'll just show y'all as we eat it.
Strawberry fresh, alright.
But hold on, y'all, I gotta get me some hot sauce.
I can pull that out. That's how you just pull it out. Alright then. So that you pull it out.
What chicken you got?
The wing. You got time for the wing?
No, I was trying to, so you can tell them, because you ain't told them.
Oh yeah, it's a wing, y'all. In case it look like a leg.
This what the chicken look like.
I ain't know you want to see it. That's pretty good. Right, that's right. Oh, my bad.
Why are you over there messing with stuff?
See, that's how people be bothering stuff. Keep touching stuff.
Y'all, we starving. It's like 7 o'clock at night, and we've been gone from the house since like 12.
The old folks say running errands.
Yeah.
The old folks
a lot of errands. But the chicken busted.
Yeah, one time.
How y'all doing today?
Yeah.
What's y'all favorite chicken place in Texas or wherever y'all are located at? Do TikTok live. He wanna go live, y'all. Give me a second.
Ooh, that pepper hot in the summer. Sweet.
I don't even know why he would bite that by himself.
Oh Lord. You got somebody. Oh, country boy, she need
Christian say big. She want it.
Yes, you do. That's what's up.
We'll give it to her after that.
Alright.
I'm gonna go to TikTok live.
Listen, fellas, get y'all a white that knows how to be a teammate. Not there right now. Knows how to be a teammate. Knows how to be a teammate. Know how to be a teammate.
Why they?
Get you a teammate. Somebody that don't mind if the team win.
And not just themselves. I'm sorry I sound like that, y'all.
Yeah, that's...
You know how you can be in a relationship with somebody and all they want to see win is themselves?
Give me.
You can't be with them type of people.
That'll burn your spirit out. You don't want your spirit burn out. You get your spirit burn out. Every relationship ain't gonna last. You get your spirit burn out. It don't matter what they do. They can walk on water, ain't gonna matter. Cause your spirit burn out. They use and abuse you. Give me. What you doing, nigga?
I'm finna go live.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I don't even got the camera turned the right way.
Turn your camera the right way, sister. And split these games to these gangsters. Okay, we order this, we order a thigh.
You come with it, don't fuck with that thigh. That's mine.
Oh, excuse me, that's nothing fuckable thigh. Put that thigh down. Fuck the thigh.
Okay.
This is for kids, by the way. I'm saying fuckable thigh.
Alright, we in here. Alright, y'all, we live. My eye bed.
What's up? Now, more of the game you can spit, get your teammate.
Yes, sir.
Alright, bro. Little Jack coming around. That's gonna be our thing to make sure you know we have a good teammate. Somebody don't mind the team win. What you reaching for?
It's another leg, or you done ate the only one?
Now, you told me I couldn't fuck that thigh.
Oh my gosh, bro.
You said I couldn't fuck the thigh, but all of a sudden I can't touch the legs.
Y'all, he know I love legs. You
But I
gonna...
touched the thigh. You said I can't have the thigh. What the hell?
Bro, I swear.
Oh, well, we swear.
You know them big pieces of chicken is yours.
Lady, I touched the thigh. You said I couldn't have the thigh.
Ain't it two of them in there? I'm stupid.
But why you crying about that one if there's two in here?
I ain't know. I thought that was a breast or something.
Jeez. Oh, they gave us another leg.
Oh.
No, you can't have
No!
it. Nigga, you done ate the leg. Don't worry about it. I eat a wine.
Yeah, I love legs.
I eat that titty. Don't worry about it. I eat this leg.
Hey, y'all.
I really got the band.
I love me some legs, man.
You know, right?
You know I like legs.
Oh, thank you.
He don't want to eat them big old pieces of chicken. Y'all, we eating Henderson's chicken. If y'all ever had it. It's so good. We got some okra right here. And if y'all ever in Dallas, stop at Henderson's and get you some Henderson's chicken. Cause it's the bomb.
Yeah.
It's the chicken right here, y'all. It's too good. I'm gonna just sit there right there so y'all can just stare at it.
You let them stare at it. That's what's up, y'all. Red side.
Hey, y'all. Who be putting peppers on their chicken?